So you've planned and purchased the asset. Now what? It arrives in a box, but that's not where things end. It's actually the beginning of its active life. Deployment involves more than just handing someone a laptop and saying, "Here you go." It involves setting that device up in a way that's secure, documented, and ready to go from day one. Poor deployment equals security gaps, productivity delays, lost or misassigned assets, zero documentation, angry users, and eventually lost money. The core steps of smart deployment are: number 1, physical intake and inspection. Confirm the shipment matches the order, model, quantity, specs, etc. Inspect for damage. Affix asset tags or barcodes, and record serial numbers and asset IDs. If your assets aren't tagged at this point, they will disappear later. Don't skip the labeling step. Even a basic barcode system goes a long way. Number 2, system registration and documentation. Enter the asset into your ITAM or CMDB. Link it to the user or department it's intended for. Log purchase details: date, vendor, warranty info, expected end of life, etc. Here's a mini challenge for you. Open your ITAM system or spreadsheet if that's what you're using. How many deployed assets don't have a user assigned? If it's more than 10%, you've got a blind spot. Number 3, device preparation. At this point, you install the required software and updates. Apply security policies and configurations. Set up user profiles, permissions, and remote access tools. Confirm compliance settings, and this includes encryption, antivirus, VPNs, etc. This is where having standard images, golden builds, or MDM tools saves you hours. Number 4, delivery and handoff. Coordinate a smooth handoff with the user. Provide them documentation or a short onboarding guide. Let them know how to get support if needed, and confirm their receipt and acceptance of the asset. Some action steps for you. Create or review your new asset intake checklist. Choose one recent deployment and evaluate. Was it fully documented? If you don't have a standard software install image, flag that as a priority project.